Today, I want to share 7 steps to nail your presentation, and I've wrapped them up in a simple acronym, PRESENT. P. Prepare for your audience. Know who they are, what matters to them, and what's going to grab their attention. R. Reveal your structure. Build your ideas step by step, like telling a story, so everything connects naturally. E. Engage with visuals. Use charts, images, or infographics. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. S. Strengthen with repetition. Reinforce your key points, adding a little more each time to help people remember. E. Express concisely. Focus on a few main points, share stories, and finish with a quick, natural summary. N. Natural and authentic. Be yourself. Share your perspective, your quirks, your personality. That authenticity creates connection. T. Train and practice. Confidence comes from preparation. Rehearse until it feels effortless. So remember, present. Prepare, reveal, engage, strengthen, express, be natural, and train. Follow these steps, and you won't just give a presentation, you'll make an impact.